Hello and namaste. I am Harshala and I welcome you to my channel. This is day 3 of our Udaipur trip. If you haven't watched day 1 and 2, I will share the link in the description box below. I'll prefer that you watch those two videos first instead of like watching this one. But yeah, we had aloo ke parathe on the terrace of our hotel and you saw the views. It was like phenomenal. I was so mesmerized by like just staying in the hotel and being a homebody. I think I would love going back there again. So this cutie was around and I'm scared of animals, but yeah, I just wanted to capture her. So we got the same rickshawala that we got like on day 2, and he decided to start our journey with Dudh Sagar Lake. It was noon time and we decided that we will not stand in sun much, so we stayed here for like 15 minutes. But I'm sure like evening time or early mornings, this place is like mesmerizing. I absolutely love like water bodies. I am a water baby. I do not prefer mountains as much like over any kind of water body or sea. And yeah, this is the Dudh Sagar Lake. Then we went to the museum, which is called the Wax Museum, and there are definitely like a few, wax statues, I guess what they are called. But I think there are other attractions as well, and it was like okay, not like phenomenal. Like if you live in Mumbai and you have already been to such a museum, there is no like reason to like go here. So there were a few like mannequins. No, I think it is like called statue. So yeah, and then there was also this thing called mirror maze, which definitely reminded me of Haunting Adeline. But yeah, nevertheless, we made it out without any issues. It was slightly crowded. Like the museum is not big, it is a very decently sized place, I would say, but the mirror maze was like too small. Then we experienced the 7D movie, and then to our next stop, which was Saheliyo Ki Badi. So Saheliyo Ki Badi is where I guess basically queens and her girlfriends used to gather. It's a garden with variety of flowers, birds, insects, trees, and plants. And I guess if there is one place that you have to definitely go, make it this one. After that, also there are many more places, but this one is like a must visit. Like we decided not to like go to all the places that all the touristy places, only the things that we would personally enjoy. And we like picked one or two places max each day. We didn't want to rush. But yeah, this was so worth it. The only thing is, because it was like noon time, it was very sunny, so I guess you should go in the evenings. It would be so pleasant. after Saheliyon ki bari, our rickshaw wala took us to buy some bangles at one of the shops, I guess, where he gets commission, and we got like two pairs of lag bangles. And then we came to Millets of Mewar, which was on our list because it is on like the City Palace main road. And I had like the concept of the entire, millets thingy, like just grabbed my attention, and I wanted to experience that. So we ordered some fresh juice, watermelon and fresh lime, and then we ordered some fries because I know millets take a lot of time to cook, and they definitely like cook fresh meals. So we ordered some paneer tikka to go along for protein, and then we ordered some millet pulao or millet biryani, I don't remember, but I think it was millet biryani. And the food was phenomenal. Like, we think that if we go back to Udaipur, definitely having a meal again over here. In the afternoon, we came back to our hotel room to rest because, of course, traveling with a kid and an elderly, it takes a toll on them. So we just wanted to recharge. By then, I just read some book later on, and then we went for our evening activities. But of course, we had to like go on the rooftop and enjoy the view. Like, the view was everything. Okay, even if you don't experience anything and just get to stay here, your entire factory data reset happens. So yeah, next on our list was this amazing Bhagodo Ki Haveli show, which is like a heritage show where they, dance and perform. And I think this is it from my side. After that, I will let you guys enjoy the entire vlog without me saying much. My God, this is scary.
Because last performance,
Then we decided to go to again Sun Moon Cafe and we ordered some chicken because Ira was like, by this day, she was like tired of eating veg, chicken and roti. And then something magical happened, okay? We didn't know this was gonna happen, but this did happen, and we got to witness the real king and queen. Like they were going for their darshan after the coronation of the king. And yeah, we actually stayed very close by to the city palace, so I definitely like recommend you guys to the hotel. And this is like the entire royal family coming back from Jagdish temple. And I don't know, it was like a different experience, like out of this world. And you can see that little prince and the princess in the mom's hand, and she's the queen. The king will come later on. So yeah, the coronation did happen, and for that the city palace was closed, so we didn't get to experience city palace in the first 3 days, but tomorrow we are going to city palace. So yeah, this was like amazing. If you like this vlog, please subscribe to my channel and wait for day 4 because yeah, it's wholesome. Thank you. I love you guys. Take care, dost.